Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this cordless massager, neck massager that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it last night, and I have to say that I'm a little bit impressed in how deep it goes. You know how strong it is right here on the upper side of your neck. It could be used for your waist if you want. It could be used for your lumbar area. It could be used for leg as well. Just because you manage the pressure, you know, you can do this, for example, and just do it as strong as you want. But I do advise you to use it more than anything for your neck and shoulders because that's what it's intended for, and it's really good for that. The thing that I like the most is this. It's cordless. It's entirely rechargeable via USB-C right here where the controls are, and you can just use it without any cables. So that is really good because you can just use it right here, for example, like in your gym, if you have a home gym, or you can watch TV and use it, you can work and use it, you can just use it anywhere, even before going to bed for like 10 or 15 minutes. And the other thing is I do like the comes with this to manage that pressure, as I was just telling you before. So you're gonna put this right here, just like this, turn it on, just put it in your shoulders and your neck and just go with a really nice massage. So let's actually switch the view. By the way, these are gonna be the controls right here for you to use, plus, minus, and the percentage with intensity and the USB-C port to charge it. And once it's on, this is how it's gonna go. Your neck is gonna be right here, and those are gonna be the massagers. And again, you can change the modes with this, remember, and you also have the battery display over there, but I do guarantee that you're gonna like this. Oh, by the way, the whole thing comes with a zipper, so you can remove the cover and wash it if you need. But basically, that's how this goes. I just wanna see if you can see it moving. Oh my God, it goes deep, deep. I mean, as much as you press it more, like deeper it's gonna go, you know, and more strong it's gonna be. But this thing is just fantastic. It moves super, super nicely, cordless, different intensity, different modes. You can wash the cover, and it works perfectly. I have to say that it works really, really good. Totally recommend it.